Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a lead generation website with Leadpages, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Leadpages website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Leadpages dashboard. Click on the Create New Landing Page button. Choose from the available templates based on your goal. Select a template that aligns with your lead generation strategy. Once you've chosen a template, click on it to customize. Use the drag and drop editor to modify text and images. Add your business logo to enhance brand recognition. Incorporate a compelling headline to grab visitors' attention. Include a clear and concise description of your offer. Add a call to action button that stands out. Customize the button text to encourage clicks. In the sidebar, explore additional widgets to enhance your page. Consider adding testimonials to build trust with potential leads. Integrate social media buttons to maximize reach. Link your email marketing service to collect leads effectively. Adjust the mobile view to ensure your website looks great on all devices. Preview your landing page to check for any final adjustments. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to make it live. Choose a domain name for your landing page. After publishing, share your landing page URL with your audience. Monitor performance through the Leadpages Analytics dashboard. Make adjustments based on the data to improve lead capture. Continuously test different elements for optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.